What's the matter of the press? Good evening. We we just came to the second site of one of our projects. You are aware that sometime I think last year I visited this place, and I did promise that because we want to bring back the beauty town to its old nature, that the issue of people trading along the creek road and also inside most of the major streets in town, that there will be need for us to fix the market. So I went to check the ongoing projects that has to do with the road, and after that I'm here to see for myself what is going on in the market. From what you can see, the contractor has already mobilized to site, and I believe that in the next 1 week the project will commence. What are we trying to do? You can see the difficulty in driving through the creek road and what is happening there, because we don't have good settlement for marketers. So if we fix this market, those people trading along the street will vacate the street and they will be inside the market. And when they're inside the market, the road can also be fixed properly. And the beauty of the town will start reflecting. That's just what we're here. I promise our people, no matter the situation that we're in, we will not lose focus in governance, because our people have given us this trust. The little we owe them is to give them confidence in leadership and ensuring that governance continued strongly. Thank you. That's part of what we are doing. We are not just fixing the market. If we have to fix the market, it's so that the people along the road will move into the market. So the rehabilitation is from Burukri down to every part of town to ensure that the roads are properly fixed. That is what I just said.
Like this. This one is also gone. This side like that. This one is gone. Also this one. They are connecting each other from side to side. All of them are. This is the house. This is the house. You see how this is. See this now it is like this. This is the rest of the this one was not this one.